And so I am relaying what I have heard from multiple sources, that Secretary Dizon or members of his team have connections with DPWH contractors. I was told by one source, some in his team are contractors. And yes, this is just what I was told. And I was told by another person that others on his team, even those who are not contractors, have been talking to contractors at may hinihingi. And maybe after I make this statement, some people can actually come out and say, yes, may hiningi ang mga opisyales ng DPWH sa amin. I say this, of course, sensitively acknowledging that we have to work with the DPWH on the budget and on the projects in our district being implemented well. And I hope that this does not get taken personally. And I am not saying this in a political context. I'm saying this from a intent for there to be reform based on the proposals that I have made for DPWH. But I would summarize everything that I'm saying by saying that I am asking Secretary Dizon, in the interest of transparency, to disclose all of his and his team members' connections, discussions, and interests in contractors and companies that do business with DPWH.
Pero sa pagkakaalam ko, no, dito sa mga undersecretaries, no, na ating inaya, no, at hindi madaling mag-aya ng undersecretary sa DPWH sa panahon ito, no, wala sa kanilang kontraktor. Yun ang aking pagkakaalam. Pero ako po mismo, dahil sa report na ito, mag-iimbista na rin ako on my own about this. But I would really appreciate if Congressman Reviste could give me more specifics, if possible, names, no, and circumstances. And believe me, I will act on it. Nakilala nyo na ako, DOTR pa lang. I will never tolerate it. And immediately, tanggal yan. Baka kasuhan ko ba?